all the parts of human eye structure, now let us see how does our eyes help us to see. Here you know that our eyes are based on the principle of refraction of light, and here on that case, here we are having the structure of eye like this, and that is actually the key point which let the light to refract. What is this? The cornea part and the eye lens. Okay, so our eye lens that is present here like this. This is our eye lens. So this is going to help to refract the light. The light which is going to enter here like this. Okay, so it acts like a camera. You know that when camera is there, so wherever we want to take the image, we have to move the side of the camera at that position. Yeah, in the similar way, wherever you want to look, so you have to shift the face towards that location. Then only you are able to see. So it acts like a camera, and here the lens that is used, because in cameras also you got to remember that there are lenses that are working to make the focus on the reel or on the memory. Okay, so here the screen that is work is like this, that is retina. So our main motive for the eye is that to focus the light ray on the retina. So whenever the light ray is coming, so it little bit get refracted here and little bit get bent here only, okay, because of this surface that is known as cornea. Okay, now when the light is entering, you know that here we are having the iris. So iris got adjust itself and make the pupil to large or to decrease its size according to the brightness of the light. If the brightness of the light or the intensity of the light is very high, then it is going to enlarge itself and the pupil size is going to reduce. Then the hole will become small and the light amount is going to be little inside the eye. So that because intensity is high, so that is the only thing, the small amount of light also would be able to see the things clearly. And when it is dark, so the iris contract itself and the size of the pupil will get enlarged so that large amount of light get inside. Whatever light is going inside after iris is going to meet this lens. Okay, so after iris there is a lens, and that lens is now going to help to make the adjustment of the light that is coming, and that is refracted again and meet at a point on the retina. So surface here, it could be meet at here also, it could be meet here. There is a surface. Retina is not just a point, single point, it is a surface, or that screen is actually helping us. Here also at this part we are having vitreous humor. Okay, that vitreous humor is also the same thing that is available here for aqueous humor. So vitreous humor here is working as a protein synthesis. So protein, providing the protein here that is helping the eye to get replenished itself, to get nourish itself, cells. So all these things going to get properly worked. Okay, so basically what is happening? Basically refraction is done. 2 times the refraction is going to happen here also and here also, and all the things get managed in such a way that it should be get focused at the retina. So our main motive is just to make the light to get focused on the retina. Okay, so accordingly this is how our eyes work. And this is the ciliary muscles going to adjust. If an object is standing here nearby or object is standing here a far point, so according to the distance also, these eye size going to shaping itself in a relaxed or a contract manner. So when it is contract, like enlarging its size like this. Okay, so at that point means that the object is standing nearby to the eye, and when it is relaxed like this, so it is get thin. So this is thick size and this is thin. Okay, so when it is thin, that means it is relaxed right now and the object is standing at a very far point. That need to be get focused here, retina. When the object is nearby, it's going to get itself thick, and now the light is coming from very like small area, बहुत पास से आ रही है. That is again going to be focused at the retina only. So that could be done by the ciliary muscles. So this is how we all see with the same respective manner. All the human beings are having such an activity in their eye, and by default, if there is some mistakes in the adjustment of the eye lens, that could be recovered by some man-made lenses that we see in form of spectacles. So they are used as a convex lens or a concave lens according to the defect that they are having. Okay, so this is known as the working of the human eye. So now let us see what is power of accommodation of an eye in the next slide.